Another healthy bread recipe using Ragi or Kurakkan or Coracana flour. Instead you can use Teff flour too. I'm using 100 grams Ragi Kurakkan flour and 250 grams plain flour or bread flour, 6 grams instant dry yeast, 3 grams salt, 10 grams sugar and 25 milliliters oil. Coconut oil is the best in this recipe, and 75 to 100 milliliters of water. So let's start doing this. So simple and easy bread roll recipe. Into a mixing bowl with the dough hook attached, add the bread flour. Into that add the Kurakkan flour. This is actually a really nice flour with less carbohydrate, and it is very filling too. So you can find this from Indian grocery shops or Sri Lankan grocery shops. Some sugar, salt and the yeast. Mix it. Now add the oil. And into that add the water bit by bit. So add enough water to get the consistency like this, and after keep on kneading about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the dough comes to this consistency, it is ready. Put it in a greased bowl and leave in a warm place to double in size. The dough has risen well, so punch it down and take it onto the bench. So roll the dough and cut it into equal parts. So I'm going to cut it into 6. Take one part, press down, bring inwards like this and turn it, and using this part of your finger press it down so it rises up, and put them on a baking tray to double in size again. So cover and leave it in a warm place again. So the bread rolls are ready to go to the oven, 200 Celsius, about 20 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. So sprinkle some flour on top. So the rolls are ready, and I left it on a wire rack to cool down. And if I open, it's a really nice soft roll that you can try at home, and it is really healthy too. So hope you will enjoy this. Thank you for watching.